Looking for the best garlic press to add to your kitchen collection? We researched over 50 garlic presses on the market and purchased 5 to put to the test. Through side-by-side evaluations, our reviewers are sure to bring you the most in-depth conclusions about the latest of these kitchen gadgets. With garlic being a notorious hassle to peel and chop, these unique appliances will be sure to help you prep your meals with ease. In our roundup, we found models that press, chop, twist, and even roll to mince your garlic to perfection. And you'll be sure to find the one that fits your culinary preferences. Whether you're an amateur or kitchen master, we cover a vast variety of kitchen gadgets, appliances, and cookware. There are numerous options for cheap best garlic press, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best garlic press from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Zulay Premium Garlic. The Zulay Premium Garlic Press is an efficient tool that performs its job very well. It is affordable, easy to clean, and attractive to boot. The rounded ergonomic handles are smooth and easy to squeeze. The spiked plate pushes out juicy, minced garlic that easily scrapes off the press and into your dish. This press design is the most common and can even press unpeeled cloves, though we still recommend peeling before pressing to get the most delicious minced garlic out of each clove. The only slight drawback is that the Zulay's chamber is comparatively small relative to other presses we tested. However, pressing large quantities of garlic remains simple. Just a quick peel of the excess garlic pulp and a rinse, have it ready for the next clove. Number 2. Kitchen Innovations Garlic Appeal. The Kitchen Innovations Garlic Appeal is a small, square device with a removable plastic chamber. Simply place a peeled clove of garlic under its lid, push it down through the stainless steel grid, and the minced garlic collects in the chamber. With interchangeable dicing and slicing blades, you can have garlic in small chunks or longer slivers. Of all the models we tested, this one produced the least garlic waste. It uses the entire garlic clove and leaves very little pulp behind. Its convenient, removable chamber makes it easy to scrape out all of the garlic. Though the garlic appeal is only suitable for chopping one clove at a time, its chamber can easily collect 5 or 6 chopped cloves, allowing you to quickly chop one clove after the other, without having to clean in between, and collecting the final product all in one place. Number 3. Rosle Stainless Steel Press. The Rosle Stainless Steel Press is a sleek, German-engineered garlic press that earns a top spot for the highest quality build. Made entirely out of stainless steel, its heavy handles and smooth camming action make pressing easy. For those who like their kitchen appliances to look good while doing their job, the Rosle does not disappoint. The downside is that the rounded design of the sieve makes the pressed garlic slightly inefficient to extract, though other presses have a flat design that makes it easy to scrape off the final product with a knife. The Rosle's curved design renders this task a bit more difficult. Number 4. Garlic Press Rocker. Stainless Steel Garlic. The Garlic Press Rocker stainless steel garlic is essentially a handle with a grate on the bottom, making pressing garlic as easy as pushing down on a clove and rocking back and forth to crush the garlic through. Some will prefer the simplicity of pushing down instead of the squeezing, two-handed action of traditional presses, and the Vantic makes this a breeze with its large, comfortable handle. As a bonus, this affordable model includes a silicone peeler and a small knife to scrape the minced garlic off the rocker. You must press the garlic onto a hard surface like a cutting board, unlike other models that can press garlic directly into your recipe. Number 5. Best Press with Built-in Cleaning Tool Zyliss Susi 3. The Zyliss Susi 3 is a traditional style press that comes with a silicone cleaning device that stows away within the unit. It has a large chamber that can fit 2 or 3 garlic cloves, and features a nice flat grate that allows you to easily scrape off the minced garlic. The best feature of this press is that its cleaning tool won't easily get lost. The cleaning tool looks like a silicone brush, with little rubber spikes that you push through the holes of the grate to loosen extra garlic pulp, and then rinse away under running water. It is somewhat tricky to use the brush accurately, and it takes a few seconds to align it perfectly with the holes in the grate. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products. as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.